First Class Travel Star Chef Series presents a workshop with Chef Alfonso Crescenzo from Mandarin Oriental Jumeira, Dubai. Today, our chef will be making orecchiette pasta with broccoli and Parmesan.
So, good afternoon to everyone. So today we go in Italy. One of the simple pasta plate that we can make, but also delicious and really healthy because it's broccoli with the typical pasta orecchiette. Then we have almonds, liquid anchovies, garlic and broccoli. The process that we do the broccoli, basically we need to now clean the broccoli in this way, only the top of the broccoli we're gonna put inside of the water. As I showed before, we cook a bit the broccoli in the hot salt water, like for 5-8 minutes. They don't need to get too much brown, like this color is fine. After that we put all together in a mixer with a bit of salt, olive oil, and we make like a nice smooth puree like that. Garlic, few fillet of anchovies. We will let them cook for a bit. Few almonds. We can add our orecchiette inside. Parmesan, and voila, our plate is ready to be served. Beautiful orecchiette pasta is ready with broccoli, really simple. Broccoli, super healthy plate. It's very good after so long time that we spend in quarantine to start to eat healthy. So enjoy the plate and see you soon. Stay safe.
Subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips from 5-star chefs around the world and weekly first-class travel inspiration.